Although the historical account of what led to the Nigerian Civil War, which pitched the people of the then eastern region against the Nigerian central government, may vary, the May 30, 1967 date remains constant and most significant among the predominant Igbos of the defunct Biafra nation. It was a date that the eastern region government, led by youthful military governor Colonel Chukwuemeka Odimegwu Ojukwu, announced the secession of the eastern region from Nigeria and declared what was to be known as the Biafra Republic. This triggered a chain of events that resulted in a 30-month civil war that led to the deaths of an estimated 3 million people, mainly children and women from the breakaway territory. Following mediations from the international community, the cessation of hostilities came into effect in mid-1970, with what was proclaimed as a no victor, no vanquished terms.
As of today, we have really found out that we were vanquished. The Biafrans, the Igbo man was vanquished.
Victor appeared, vanquished, remained.
Notwithstanding, the scar of the war on the eastern region is yet to heal, as a May 30 Biafra Day has continued to be remembered by the people, despite deliberate actions of the Nigerian government to stifle the echoes of the voice.
It was very rough. We lost everything.
We, in this part of the globe, we honor the dead. And we lost too many people.
In recent times, the voices are becoming louder, with separatist agitations gaining ground by the day, not only in the eastern regions, but in the west too. But some commentators believe that what the Igbos need most at this time is a total integration into the Nigerian nation, where they will pursue their God-given potentials of commerce and technology than the scramble for power at the center.
I want to remember the man in Owerri who made a car. Nigeria rejected it.
If Nigeria has harvested what the Biafrans were able to invent by that time, Nigeria would have gone far, far ahead above other African countries.
Currently, the Igbos feel marginalized and alienated from the political and economic schemes of things at the Nigerian center, worse than what the situation was before the Civil War. These unaddressed ethnic and regional complaints have triggered new pro-self-determination groups, including the Proscribed Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, the Movement for the Actualization of the Sovereign State of Biafra, MASAB, among others.
Present government, federal government, has marginalized the southeast, but I am asking our youth to pedal down a bit.
I am pleading for understanding.
There is no equity in the system.
For some, the greatest tributes the Igbos can pay to the memories of those who made the supreme sacrifice in the Civil War is for the present generation to ensure that the circumstances that led to the conflict are never repeated.
So let us imbibe dialogue in everything we do in this country.
We pray for peace. We pacify our young men who are deprived. There is no doubt that Igbo is deprived in Nigeria.
As the people of the Southeast geopolitical zone mark the May 30 Biafra Day, historical and political analysts are urging the present Nigerian government to make deliberate efforts towards building a country devoid of any form of discrimination and marginalization, but ensure equity, justice, and fair play among the component groups of Nigeria.